Once upon a time, there lived a mighty lion in a forest. He was very proud and strong. Every day, he hunted animals to eat, and all the animals were scared of him. One day, the animals gathered and made a plan. They decided to talk to the lion. They said, "O great lion, we are scared of you. If you promise not to hunt us, we will send one animal to you every day for your meal." The lion agreed. From that day, the animals sent one of them to the lion every day. One day, it was the rabbit's turn. The rabbit was small but very clever. He thought of a plan to save himself and the other animals. The rabbit walked very slowly to the lion's cave. The lion was angry because the rabbit was late. "Why are you so late?" he roared. The rabbit said calmly, "O mighty lion, I was coming here quickly, but another lion stopped me. He said he is the king of this forest." The lion was furious. "Another lion? Where is he? Show me," he growled. The clever rabbit took the lion to a deep well and said, "The other lion is inside this well." The lion looked into the well and saw his own reflection in the water. He thought it was another lion. He roared loudly, and the other lion roared back. It was just the echo. In anger, the lion jumped into the well to fight. But the well was deep, and he could not get out. The lion drowned. The clever rabbit went back to the other animals and told them what happened. Everyone was happy and safe from that day. Moral of the story: intelligence is stronger than strength.